Alright guys, so before the video starts, go ahead and check out the link down below for all the merchandise, the stickers, all that good stuff. What we got today is, I was called into this restaurant because I guess the kitchen AC is not running properly. Already went downstairs, checked the thermostat, put it to like 65 degrees. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just check them, see what we find. I know that's the back kitchen area, like the warehouse area. And then this side I know is the main kitchen. That one's gonna be the dining. This one's gonna be the kitchen. So right now nothing looks out of the ordinary. Condensers are running, so that means both stages are running. Air coming out is pretty hot. Coils don't feel that dirty. I can feel air going through. That one might need a little bit of cleaning. This side also might need a little bit of cleaning. 54. What the heck? The evaporator coil is not that stuff. Economizer is closed, so that's good. So this is the little setup I have right now, guys. This is the what was the name of this? The MB. All I have is just a 11-in-1 Llens, all the electrical connections, temperature probe, needle nose, and I just got these two. I freaking love them, guys. So got this one and this little tiny one. For what I do for quick service calls, this is perfect right here. Fits perfectly. And then on the inside, I just got my 12 volt, my meter, service wrench, and that's it. Basically what I do with that one is just quick service calls, so that way I don't have to carry everything. It makes it easier. Alright, so my wheel's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off and just check the belt, make sure there's no damage and things like that. Let's go ahead and check this out. Nothing looks out of the ordinary. Contactors, they don't look burned at all. Transformer, I don't see no burn marks whatsoever. Yeah, we're looking good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the condenser coils just to keep it on the safe side, because I'm pretty sure they haven't been washed in a while. Even though they don't look that bad, I'm still gonna wash them. But I mean, everything looks fine. Like we said, I got 52 degrees going down. Let me just verify if this one's actually running too. Jesus. Nah, the blower wheel's running. Oh, you know what, guys? I was wrong. That's the kitchen side. This is the dining in the front. And that one over there is in the back warehouse section. Okay. So I was a little bit confused. Okay, yeah, so this one's the one that we're working on. I'm also going to go ahead and check that one. give it like a little quick check the temperature split on it, make sure everything's good. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but this thing's completely caked. It's completely caked inside. So okay, so yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash that one, wash this one, and we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the temperature split on that one. Even though I'm here for the kitchen only, I'm also gonna go ahead and wash the back kitchen. That way that we save the service call and we don't have to come back here. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but inside is completely caked. So something I do recommend you guys get, since I was asked in my other video, is one of these. I got this at Home Depot for like maybe 10 bucks. So what I do, I basically put it all around like this, so that way it's able to protect my neck, my sides, and basically you don't get a damn sunburn up here. It's a good way, and this thing's pretty breathable. You can feel the air going through, so just in case you guys were wondering. All right guys, so that's our temperature right now on the back of the kitchen. It's 72 degrees. So like I said, this thing's completely caked. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and wash the coil, then take the temperature again and see if it went down. But if once we wash the coil and if it doesn't go down, we'll go ahead and start checking pressures. So right now it's 72. So like I said guys, I'm not here for the back of the kitchen, I'm here for the middle unit, which is the middle of the kitchen area. So this one I'm just giving it like a quick check. If it's gonna require me for more time, then I have to call the office, tell them to make a new work order, and basically go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Yeah, maintenance hasn't been done in a long time here. Usually on the aluminum coils, if you stand here, when you open up the door, you're able to see the light through the coil. On this one, you can barely see anything. So once we wash the coil, you guys will be able to see a bunch of light coming through on the section. So let's go ahead and wash this with water only, because I don't have the refrigeration technologies cleaner with me. But yeah, let's go ahead and give it a wash. After that, check the belt and go from there. All right guys, so what I did, only wash the half of the coil. So let me go ahead and show you guys, if you guys are able to, if you guys can tell, there's the light. So there's where I washed the coil, and this side is where it's all dirty. So that gives you guys an idea of how bad the coil is. That's crazy. So look at the difference now guys. You guys are able to tell all the light coming out. Damn. For those who don't know, anytime you guys wash an aluminum coil, you guys have to let it dry out, because if you guys turn it on right away, what's going to happen, the unit's going to go off on a high head. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the compressors. And basically put them somewhere safe that they're not gonna arc out. Right there. So that way the compressors are off and only the condenser fans are running. That way this thing dries up, and then we'll go ahead and turn on the compressors. Because I mean, just by hitting it, look at all the water comes out. Look at all that. So we're gonna go ahead and let this thing run, dry up, and then we'll go ahead and connect the compressors. Damn, somebody had the wrong filters. Bell doesn't look that bad. So nothing looks out of the ordinary. I don't see no oil. Nope, no oil. Oh yeah. Nice. Now we can feel some airflow going through. So now let's go ahead and grab the needle nose and go ahead and that door is closed, so let's go ahead and jump this out. Number 1 is fan on, number 2 is economizer, so let's go to number 2 for now. And now let's go to number 3. Just an FYI, do not try this if you're not a certified HVACR tech. So that's second stage. So it's number 4, so second stage. So compressors are off, fans running. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the door and let this thing dry up before I turn it on. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and just check the temperature split again on that one, just to make sure. But what I'm thinking it was happening, since this one was down, that one over here was having a hard time keeping up with the whole kitchen, because basically the kitchen is 2 sections: the kitchen area where they cook and the warehouse area. So I'm thinking this one was having issues keeping up because that one is completely dirty. So we'll go ahead and check the temperature split once it's fully done. But like I said, guys, just a reminder, they have to put in a service call for us to work on the other systems. That's how this restaurant type works. So it's not like I can just go ahead and check every single one of them. I can't, because I got other service calls I gotta go do. So let's go ahead and do that. Let this thing run. $55 degrees, guys. So just by cleaning that coil, it dropped all the way down. So nice and clean. $54. Nice. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just wrap everything up, let that unit run till it satisfies and be out of here. So now I'm just gonna pick up the water hose. All right, guys, so this is why I love the M12s. Look how perfectly this thing fits in here. Just check this out. Boom. Look at that. Damn. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick, simple one. Every tech loves this kind of calls. I love them because I basically got paid all travel just to come and wash the condensers. And all because customers don't like taking care of their equipment. So, I mean, I ain't mad. I mean, it's cool for me. So like I said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the link down below. Peace.